Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mohammed and we are here to talk about livestock farming. Charlie, I said I'm bomb about for about on my man. The whole day, the cheese are what I was saying. Ladum. Nde yabaka ladum kwa sam kakra. Next how I don't know if almost any normal balamini again almost share about one. You will be say a boss because I don't know the chairman. Chairman, salam alaikum. You go home for fair was it. You need to ladum dada. We are there now on Sakomo and I walked home with you.
Me crown me madam do one off from facing
oh madam. Okay, Obano crown mobile. Oh, okay.
One idea one so
oh one emphasize.
For
Boga washen is oh tuntum account. I know me share no market several times. Me share no market. Now, Mbowe, only almost saying because you have to say Mobo and Dimpa.
from board the so I deal with the work so
Sir,
we are over here
any day, no,
and you about 15,000.
15,000. 150 million. Bakubia. Now, what was saying? Four. Oh, okay. Making it 60,000. Then I'm will risk is a walk on Boise.
Facebook and TikTok, send a senior manager.
Okay.
To say, I say, a Kate into say, and call. So almost with the name, the my dear one is some of crab.
Okay. You say, what is the way and what father? To be say one in a general home answer.
The dear honor.
Okay.
Yes, I come one on normal confirmation.
Okay. So far, all the idea by say, young Tom Bowie, what was your expression?
Oh, Mayor, the action said. So I feel like bringing these breeds, this kind of breeds in here, is a huge, a huge step forward.
Okay.
Because I feel like this one's, it takes short time to mature.
Okay.
The ones we have here, like we try to improve them. Like I said before, impact. We trying to put a print, a stamp on the farming in general, what's the name, breeding sheep in general.
Okay.
So that's why he when he told me about it, I was excited about it.
Okay. Where are we? I don't want to wear what am I saying? People see it. Oh, Ghana, mostly we see these things. Senegal, Burkina Faso, Bayan, so yabi. What am I saying? Me who many say yes, at least we have something. Yeah, well, Sana Farms will be shout out to Sana Farms. Now also will be encouraging more of. But no say if you have the money and you think to invest, try this. Because we almost cross local ones, and I think the improvement will be much. Okay. Almost shit saying, is it the normal animals? And almost wait to say, almost do need the idea.
Almost show you in your idea.
Okay.
Because send out me most of your it's almost send almost permanent in normal person when your mom knows one and
okay.
Almost any day I
okay. Today, Johnny San or
almost this was summer.
Okay.
If you are now local, we need the one or so
grass near there.
So in your time, all the time, we do self film, or share them, Tina Wayne,
okay.
Almost any day.
Oh, I said, oh, Hannah, I said, what tall man and Palam?
Yeah, Tom means
okay. I see. You think Parano only device saying, okay, agent, and a month.
Roughly, we would do Bakubania 1.5 months.
Okay.
1.5 months.
Okay. I wonder some say, is it our normal any in your in a demo? And I said, what crap?
The normal is so maybe before no one will be a marketing advert, Kimoja Kochek, then answer.
Okay.
Yes, man, because I said different river system and the Hebrew.
Sir, until check whether we were Malaya and Ham, and okay.
Then you see some young differences and a difficult view and more than a virtually more check.
Okay.
No watch him send me a hand in hands and
a high task with me, room, alhamdulillah. Straight away, what do you mean near customer or the building this place? But roughly, who made me about a month? Every 100,000. Okay, close to. Okay. Oh yeah, the minister. I like to as we were saying the future. What do you think? Starting from our chairman, NURU has started something like this. Standard Farm is also doing. What do you have for livestock farmers?
So, what he did is a huge step forward.
Yeah.
To the right, the right direction.
Yeah.
Because I feel like since he could do it, that means everybody else could do it.
Yeah.
So that means like it's giving us courage, it's motivating us, it's giving us like motivation that we could also do it.
Yeah.
So now since he's doing it, since everybody here now, I feel like I could do it too.
Yeah.
So that's how it is. Yeah. So the motivation aspect. And you were asking them about the structure. Yeah. I feel like with these animals, the money you invested in these animals, they're more expensive. So you have to make sure your upkeep. Your upkeep, it has to be clean. Everything has to be clean.
Okay.
And you can't just buy the animal, a sheep for 150 million and just give it a mediocre place to live.
Yeah.
You have to set the standard. You have to set the bar high.
Yeah. Okay. You don't allow anyone here. Okay. You are willing to help people. One because I will share livestock farming. What shall I say in there? See, what shall you quit the man answer yes, I need.
Ghana, you are paying 1 year.
Okay.
First in the way to see we are talking about 10,000 crore and easy.
Okay.
So see, to me, turn into about 50,000. 60,000. I won't say it's money improvement. I've been for a bumper any side money. I'm sharing into me for intense.
Now, Sisiano, to say, senior worker, do we need the government? You hear government and what? And I say, yeah.
Baby, government in Boyamu said, the dynamics be there during the way are coming. So be more young ones no more being there, baby, government in one almost someone to me to be there every sir. The government in Bois, what suggestion is saying? Because you are a key figure when it comes to livestock farming in Accra and in Ghana. What am I saying? What can I say? Government by a suggestion there. Diana will be say government no suggestion the why government and what be one and so many baby on Benyan. Okay. And a baby on Benyan so I have difficulties are moving to Ama and Sam I stand up. Baby, I almost do any morning and my mamma be there for his cousin. Into say government and what I want to no you to be brave. Okay. Because a Jumo first name himself agriculture, I feel I farming to win now so count I am a crogina dear or say government in finance. Shame on to me why you to be brave. Because we a chain. A Juma be bra, boys in your room. Okay. And 1 year there and I made you mind 2 years sooner putting on for here. Okay. I think what he said is right. And what do you think about what he just said?
The same thing, I think the government assistance, I feel like if feeding a province here, feeding more than too much. Okay. And the government makes me want to know I'm feeding, I said more, say, if you talk more cover 20 million, you talk more cover 25 million. Was a whole talk more to cover my own one. Say, say I am what also here. We'll talk about Kwama Noato and Bao Niwi. What's when they say almost 60 million was okay. Emma, what if you want to wide? But the government will realize or something like that. We branded the board says farmer or talk. You better swam, you was some Adiba the Mammo. At the same time, apartment so like she said, or boy in Drew. Okay. Was after Drew's wide. The first Thomas say. We isolation 30 cigarettes. I feel back when the person 100 Ghana anyway. The money now, name the boy thing. You man, it's a no come one. And then, ma, one support, and I'm a cruise writing. We journey boy thing. And the government need to be fair, so my answer is everywhere. And at the same time, to breach, no. And said, I knew or no say, you go for or no equal, which media mapper. But average person will kind of want to meet back. But Ghana to me, government to me, or not to me, some breach with, but I say, or the farmers, where you zoo. Breeder, no, they are with nice, not a maybe system one, and get to the web, because they improve it, local one, you want, inshallah.
South Africa for a month, me, yes, sir. Who is called one, no map at all, Bama. I didn't say Bama, no, correct. Oh, so much in the semen, or more females, what's my say? But I can't remember, I was having an interview with Kobo Farms. Aziz, Kobo Farms, I don't know if you know. No, I can say. Do the Bobby Bar Ghana. Yeah, say on that means they had the idea then. What am I saying? So what you are saying is right. Now, Niawo can make Kakana American Yawokan. Say you to know, yes, I know where I don't want him to be some good money. What am I saying? Because side no, we are proud when your time in Mount. Anytime they want to, yeah. When your time because I will you at least at the end of the day, himself, at least many what am I say? I say, Yakeke, and I say, FSL will show the work, but also encourage others for us to do it. When you'll be an open farm or TMO, my Misha say, my farm, so you are bumping my men in the video. What am I say? You are no more and do say growl, bumping, but. My idea say video because they are thinking for Ghana book which then in a year, you know. Tiango Pono engine to mine. Last message to Ghanaians. I'm not so back as back and first in the Nana, wow, so it is some baby. Okay, yet, then I will walk and found.
You never walk on Ghana for any family. Say, I said, will be unfair the year. Don't for our audition, government for our audition. And Yan will do my dream. Because boys never their doors, and my use goes to doors will be up in my. They've been trying whom one see our money. Sell baby, by that baby, I want to be free. Now, I never be a won't no to me, and the best government. Now, you to so my be for the necessary. No, you been a scout, a boy. What just what to me? That's an hour can school media. Yes, more dead because fancy Oberton Abuano, now 600 million, 500 million, 50,000. Say, oh, a dancing room be our person we are, and yet him out. And now was some web episode of Boman, Papa, and yet him out. No, yes, I put on back one between our way, so the amount. Who had a business cramp one, no, Mr. One, and stone wood, which means the same. This is Obian Fanny and Shem one. I say about Conso, I say about. I saw who say NURU see now in your brain. NURU Diana, you can learn from him. You and also, but Sabi, you to know more about from what we say in Maui. Woman shed your mom with the can, now find him there for so. Yanaka also Barbido, now dragging back Mobia, then I about Nampo, say Unia or Gudian, what you are Nasa, what me pray. NURU farm, but me here and be say, Mumitoana with their brother. Now I find because we need tea, and I'm in a back on tea. Now I find to be a man in him, breed your own in him. I'm more something from Brother, the phone on better, almost always would be our one. Government in Sibra show you because they do my family, dear, one teaching group, which countries be brave, no one of that teaching group. I love beach in a Friday now, sir. I don't consider Jambuano. Because of who your program be up, bring up what it's not yet. Sir, we know effect. It's go back to more than on fire. Now I'm born Nura, yeah, you don't do us because I don't know how many you have you one. And you're going to shine on to the your best way, your lawyer. And yes, you was here, yeah, bro, but you've done some of your problems in my government. But when you show now, put on bum white crowd. ye hwe ne Paul bon homode na se ya kofa no few price mo ba be bobo amagana enti sia NURU no o she kwana mo ba government brada wa be so ni mu na won for no
ya be lift na up oh dodgy camera dey bia so ba ye be twine pi
oh ye bo pa ye bo pa
what na wa mbo me NURU mba me da thanks to what mo NURU ni dey ye da for adasi alaji ya da wasi ne ejumaka se wo yama mangana na wo yama prowe akono nshira na anya kese for the last message bi
Dewi, ya so man oh. So not that kind
mate. NURU. O wa shout out ya. Nkofu bia o pese o chia wo. Nkofu 5. Ba nkofu 5 bia o pese o chia pharmacy na. Ya we tradition o bo nkofu miensa na mienu bia na di.
our farm.
Hasbunallah fan shout out to me papa.
Ya boss,
the boss, Bako Fair Super. Shout out to Super Hamza, Yaki Farms. Okay. What will you? Easy farm, one share. Okay, easy farms from Titan Ben away. Oh, me couple guys and yeah, easy. Shout out to easy message where they make try short, madam. Boss, me one and only boss of America, Miami King. Master, Omami Mbo. Okay. Ono kaona for Garike na Garike. Ono kaona in train my yeah, down soon as Obi ya family bia I salute. This our person, yeah, bro, family interview. We are just give a call and I'll be there, inshallah. Then I work from we be interview pen and make us too much. Okay. Okay. Let's send me the yummy, mashallah. Yamusun mfaso ebedu on ema enemotu mankasa. Yamma ina ndi mfaso. Amen. Yede mi ase.